Good morning, students. So let's continue with the short notes, that is PAAS. Open your page number 172. This one. Start from here. The PAAS offer. PAAS means Platform as a Service, offers the required hardware and other software component for running a program or storing user data. Okay, now come on the page number 173. A user, this paragraph, last line, a user is required to do is to pay for the hardware and software services being used. Till here. Okay. Next is fourth, natural language processing. Open your page number 178. Point number 10, which we have marked as 10. Natural language processing is a component of artificial intelligence in which devices receives human speech, interpret, understand and generate the result even in human language itself. Till here. Okay. Now the last one is 5, big data. For this, open your page number 175. Come to the last line. Big data is a collection. This one. Heading is big data. First paragraph, second paragraph. Cut this hence. Start from here. Big data is a collection of large amount of data that grow exponentially with respect to time and cannot be managed easily by any traditional database management system. The big data is also ordinary data but available in huge size. Okay. Then you have to make this table. Resources, amount of data generated per day. New York Stock Exchange 1 terabyte, Facebook 500 plus terabyte, flight engines 800 plus petabyte. Okay, till here you have to do this. Now answer the following questions. First is, what is meant by cloud computing? Name any two cloud service provider. For this, open your page number 168. Cloud computing heading is there. So you have to start from here. Cloud computing is a platform. You can make the points also. The first point is, A point is, cloud computing is a platform for storing data and performing calculation on hardware devices which is not physically held or maintained by the individual using it. Okay. Second point you can make, the platform has infinite storage capacity and more computing power to relieve user from the problems of local storage and application processing. Third point you can make like this. Cloud computing refers to storing and accessing data and programs over the internet rather than the hard disk or solid state drive on your computer. Okay, till here you can write. Next is what name of service provider. So you can name any 2 or 3 service provider from here. Microsoft Azure, IBM Cloud, Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Services. Okay. Next is mention any 3 advantages of cloud computing. Open your page number 171. There are the advantages of cloud computing. You can write accessibility, write 2 points. Data sharing and collaborative working, again write 2 points. Storage space, write 1 point and then give example. Fine. Next question is, how is cloud computing different from traditional computing? For this, write few points. Here are the points. Cloud computing and traditional computing. In cloud computing, you have to write data and programs are stored online and accessible from anywhere. Resources can be scaled up and down easily based as need. Maintenance and updates are managed by the service provider. And in traditional computing, you can write data and programs are stored locally, limiting accessing to specific location. In second point, you can write scaling requires manual addition of hardware and setup. Third is user are responsible for maintaining and updating hardware and software. So you can write these points for this question. Next question is enlist any three application of cloud computing. Open your page number 169. Okay. So you can write private cloud, public cloud and hybrid cloud and write 2 lines for each. For private cloud you can write to understand this concept, let us consider a school library. In a school library, a student gets the book issued for the reference or study and returns the book within the scheduled time. Till here. For public cloud, you can write unlike a school library, a government library is meant for all the citizens. It stores more number of books and can accommodate more number of people to issue book, study and return them on completion. Okay. And for the hybrid cloud, you can write hybrid cloud is on page number 170. The heading is hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private clouds. In the hybrid cloud, the user or company's data is partially divided and stored to public and private clouds. Okay, till here you have to write it. Now the next question is differentiate between IaaS and SaaS. For this, open your page number 172 and 173. Okay. PaaS means platform as a service. The PaaS offers the required hardware and other software component for running the program or storing user data. Fine. And on the page number 173, you can add one more line. A user is required to do is to pay for the hardware and software services being used. Now come for second, SaaS, software as a service. The SaaS does most of the work required for running and storing an application. For example, if you are fond of reading books but you do not have huge storage space at your home, you can go for the online website, okay, or for any other app to read the books on your tablet or on your PC. Till here. The next question is explain the following domains of artificial. Question number 6. I am talking about question number 6. Explain the following domains of artificial intelligence utilizing cloud computing, robotics and deep learning. Just write deep learning. It is a part of AI where learn from large data like recognizing faces or voices. Cloud computing make it faster and cheaper by providing powerful tools and storage online. Okay. Now next is for robotics. Write it down. Robotics in AI involves machine performing tasks like humans such as moving, sensing or making decisions. Cloud computing helps us giving robots action to powerful processing and data storage online, making them smarter and more efficient. So you have to write it from here. Now the last question is enlist any 5 different application of AI using cloud infrastructure. For this, open your page number 177. Here is a heading application of AI in cloud computing infrastructure. Write any 5 or 6 points from here. Online learning platform, Google Maps, entertainment, applications like Netflix, Amazon Prime, etc., social networking application, smart home automation, autonomous vehicles, smart city. Okay, so this all in this video. Thank you and have a nice day. Complete your work. Okay.